Hello guys, this is Boy Muhammad from Androidzilla. Today I walk you through how to edit particularly content into home screen in Android device. This step is very easy. You go to Play Store. From Play Store you need to download the app called Google Contact. Wait for a second. You see, this is the first one. You need to install that. After you start, open it. When you found all your contact here, click one of you want to edit in the home screen. You need to hit in the top right corner. You have three dotted. Click on it. From there, you need to edit to home screen. Click there. You see, it's contact is added to home screen. When we look back, you see our contact is added to home screen. And this video for today, I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.